Tilt Engage Visa credit card is built for people who are either starting from scratch with credit or working to rebuild it, and it makes entry easier than most traditional cards. Issued by WebBank and serviced by Tilt, it is unsecured, meaning there is no deposit required, and reports payment activity to all three major credit bureaus. Approval can be more accessible thanks to Tilt alternative underwriting process. Cardholders may see credit limit increases in as little as 4 months with consistent, responsible use. The card also includes a rewards program that offers between 1% and 10% cashback at select merchants, plus it charges no foreign transaction fees, which is rare for this category. However, it comes with a notable cost, a $59 annual fee that is charged up front, reducing available credit right out of the gate. For example, a $300 starting limit drops to $241 after the fee. Interest rates are extremely high, ranging between 28.74% and 33.74%, making it critical to pay your balance in full each month, because carrying any debt quickly outweighs the benefit of earned rewards. Rewards are also limited to certain merchants, so general everyday spending will not earn cash back unless it falls within that network. Additional fees, $5 or 5% for cash-like transactions, add to the potential downside. The agreement includes an arbitration clause limiting certain legal rights. In short, Tilt Engage can be a work-able tool for building or repairing credit if used with discipline, especially for someone without funds for a security deposit. Rewards offer a small incentive. The upfront fee and sky-high APR mean it is only a smart choice for those who never carry a balance and can accept that merchant-specific rewards may be hit or miss. Risk comes from misusing the card and falling into debt. Interest charges will quickly make this card far more expensive than the benefits it offers.